today I am going to tell you that in the first class, just we should know that how to blow the flute. And this is very easy. Everybody can try. First of all, we don't need to close the holes. Just we need to hold like this and keep here under our lip here, this part. So we can keep like this, and then we can try to blow like. We should blow like long blowing. It should be long blowing like. And we should try again and again so that this thing, this blowing, it become clear. Because in the beginning, once you try, sometime the sound comes, sometime it doesn't come, and just we have to practice so that it can come. And after that, we have to practice to make it clear. It should sound very clear sometime. And when we have to blow, we have to take care the blowing should go downwards like this. In the hole, there is a blowing hole here in the flute, you can see. And when we are blowing there, most of the time the blow goes outside, and we have to just take care that it should not go out, it should go in, like. If I'll do outside straight, then it will sound more hissing. We have to control with our lips. They should be like, controlled, and we should do like. If we have to blow little far, like quite far, then we have to control with the lip like this. But when we have to blow just close, then we are doing like. But we have to do as thin as possible. We have to blow that in that way. And as much practice you will do, the sound will become more clear. And about the blowing, sometimes people they keep like this. It's too much down. Sometimes people they keep straight. This is the right angle. But sometimes people they keep in middle. This is also fine, because it's depend person to person how they feel comfortable, because we need to be relaxed also. और अब मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा कि बांसुरी जब भी हम बजाते हैं तो हम ऐसा नहीं कि हमको ये फील करना चाहिए कि हम कोई बहुत मेहनत का काम कर रहे हैं या कोई होमवर्क कर रहे हैं। आपको कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट जब आप शुरू करते हैं तो आपको एंजॉय करना चाहिए उसको। कोई भी आप काम करते हैं तो आपको एंजॉय करके मज़ा लेके करना चाहिए। तो जब भी हम फ्लूट बजाते हैं तो हम बहुत रिलैक्स होते हैं। हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हम इसको आराम से बजाएं और मन से बजाएं। जितना आप इसको धीरे धीरे करके सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे, उतना ही ये आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा। अगर आप सोचेंगे कि हम इसको जल्दी जल्दी करें तो उसमें उतना ही ज़्यादा समय लगता है, और जितना आप इसको धीरे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और स्लो ध्यान से करेंगे, उतना आप इसको जल्दी सीखेंगे।